welcome to my channel. It's Little C here. This week I'll be doing a new series called Crack the Hack. Now a lot of people like myself want to follow hacks that we found on the internet because their benefit is very tempting. But without doing proper research, the thing doesn't work or it causes more harm than the benefit it comes with. So this new series will demystify popular hacks on the internet. So it all started on a nice afternoon when I was feeling really down about how damaged my hair was due to bleaching and multiple hair application processes. I started to get really nervous and panicky, pacing back and forth like, what did I do to my hair? So I thought that if I was able to grow my hair longer, I can cut out the damaged end. I started to search rigorously on the internet and found a very proven hack to grow my hair overnight. So let's get started on this new mask that I just found on YouTube. I swear to God, it better work. Let's go. Look at this. This actually looks pretty yummy. I don't mind making an omelet right now, but I'm gonna use it to treat my hair. Let's see if that works. So you put that over your hair. I'm gonna do it in the tub because I feel like it's gonna get really messy. And then use the plastic wrap and wrap it all over your head. It has been 30 minutes and I feel disgustingly gross out. Really, the eggs is just like dripping. This thing isn't really holding it in. Like I did it really well. I think I should do a scrambled eggs instead of this one. Anyways, so I'm gonna rinse it out. I think it's best you do with shampoo, and I'm gonna use the coconut oils to apply it all over and leave it overnight. The amount of coconut oils to use really depend on how long your hair is. My hair is a bit long, so I'm just gonna do enough to cover my hair. Oh hey, it's morning time, and look, magically I woke up and my hair was already washed. I'm kidding. I went and I washed my hair. It was really oily, greasy. I don't think I'll ever do this again, to be honest. It may not be worth it at all. So I combed. As you see, the mark is still there. I'm gonna comb all my wet hair, making sure it's straight so we can do a quick measurement. And you can see it's like, whoop. Hey, cool. Wait, so it actually grew 1 centimeter. Like this thing actually worked.
I don't mean to burst your bubble, but your hair is wet. You did your first measurement when your hair was dry.
Wait. I just realized I did all of this while my hair is wet. See, a lot of times I saw what other people do is they measure their hair wet. And I guess maybe that's why it kind of grew. That's disappointing. You know what? I'll be right back while my hair is dry and redo this, and hopefully it grows. Wish me luck. Yeah, I dry my hair. It's so nice and fluffy. So let's do the test. Y'all pray for me, right? I did too. There you go. It's like just barely touching the tips of it. But it said it will grow overnight. Did I got scammed? See, like if I put my hair like this, doesn't it look like it grows? It did, right? I'm just so sad. It did grow, right?
No, it didn't grow.
But
You were scammed.
all those words. All those words. It didn't grow. Oh no.
No!
There you have it. The hair growth overnight did not work at all. To be honest, I actually wish it works, just so my hair could grow a little bit and I could cut it, but no, it did not work. And to be honest, the reason why it didn't work, because hair growth is a genetic trait. It's not something that you can just use a home remedy and have it work overnight. If your hair did grow though, it probably because of your natural hair growth rate, is not because of this remedy. Though the hair mask itself did leave my hair very hydrated. If you don't mind using the ingredients, I would recommend you to use it. It's something nice to do, but for me, I would never use this mask again. It wastes my 2 eggs, 4 tablespoons of olive oils that I could use to make scrambled eggs or other meals. Like, seriously. It's just way too messy. I had to clean my bathtub so many times. I woke up smelling like scrambled eggs. Like, I'm the scrambled eggs. And I'm supposed to eat scrambled eggs. Okay, that's just really nasty. So comment down below and let me know, 1, if you have tried this hack and it worked on you, and 2, if you want me to crack any other hacks out there. Give me 1 big thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe right down below to the Smarty family. Bye! See you next time!